Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question 18. In perfect competition, price is determined by the option A says government, option B says buyers, option C says sellers, option D says market. In a perfect competition, a perfect market is also called a competitive market or a perfect competition. It may be defined as one in which buyers and sellers cannot influence the prices of goods and services. The following are the conditions necessary for it. A perfect competition: large buyers and sellers, free entry, free exit, perfect knowledge, no preferential treatment, common price, portable goods, homogeneous goods, easily transfer of factors of production. Price and quantity are determined by the interactions of the forces of demand and supply. So based on this, our correct answer is option our correct option is option D, which is the price is determined by the market. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.